In today's GMAT tip of the day, we're going to talk about one of the most common misconceptions I hear about the GMAT from my students. And that's that performing well on the GMAT means missing fewer questions on test day. And that makes sense. It's the way most tests work. But the GMAT is a weird test, and that weirdness stems from the algorithm. When you get questions right on the GMAT, the algorithm adjusts the difficulty of the questions you're receiving up, so you're receiving harder questions. The reverse is true as well. When you get questions wrong, the algorithm adjusts the difficulty of the questions you're receiving down, so you're receiving easier questions. The algorithm keeps doing that, adjusting your difficulty level up and down until it dials in the difficulty level where you're getting about half of the questions right and half of the questions wrong. This difficulty level then becomes the basis for your section score. So this leads us to our GMAT tip of the day. Embrace getting questions wrong on test day. If you're performing at your best, you can still expect to miss about 50% of the questions you see on test day. That's just the way the test is designed and scored. I see so many students who are so concerned about their accuracy or what percent of questions they're getting right, but that betrays a really fundamental misunderstanding of the nature of the test. So let go of perfectionism and accept that the GMAT isn't so much about how many questions you're getting right versus wrong, but the difficulty of those questions.